What is up, guys? It's Talented Forever again. We're here with episode 10 of Chainsaw Man. And
Yeah, we're
oh,
here. Discord again. Obviously, we actually recording this in the same session as we did 9, so that's
As
why
you
we're here
heard.
again. Yeah, so if you watch that
That's-
one, we're here again.
Since we're coming off that episode, Kobeni had her pop off. And that's all that really mattered from that episode. And
Yeah,
Makima.
I think so.
I mean, the
I mean,
samurai
Since
versus
she didn't get
Denji.
shot.
yeah, that was pretty
it was
well.
no good.
Yeah, I would say it was surprising. That's the
was
first
also
time.
great.
First time I've seen an MC take a hostage and threaten to kill them. So it was pretty nice.
And he got cut in half. He just picked him
Yeah,
up.
didn't even
All
win.
right, let's go.
That was crazy. Makima's power seems crazy. And Kobeni didn't even see her power. Just straight out of the super soldier serum right there.
And then, and then like half the cast that we saw in that bar scene is dead. Like
Right?
all those
Yeah.
random side characters. The only one that survived was the one with the scar on his face that quit at the end. And even Arai's dead, which I mean, all of the 12 Arai fans are sad. So
Down.
Damn.
Damn, bro. I
Hey,
guess we're all
hey,
12 of them.
Yeah, I guess we're
he's
4 of them.
he saved Kobeni, bro. Kobeni.
hey, that's
Top
his
three.
purpose.
Top three
That's his
girl.
purpose. That's his purpose in the story is saving Kobeni.
So yeah, pretty nice.
Anybody
I
ready
don't
for JJK season 2?
AJK.
This is Chainsaw Man.
I don't really expect where this could go now. Besides, like, I really want to see like the aftermath because we still didn't get aftermath of like Power wasn't in the episode at all. You know, she was
Yeah,
gone.
she
the whole
ran.
time.
She ran.
Yeah.
It said the fiend ran off. Ran
Yeah.
off.
So I really want to see if kind of how they regroup and how they react, especially Aki with Himeno. So
I've seen some preview images and they look good. Like the quality, they look really good. That's all I'm gonna say. It looks really nice.
Mappa knows how to do it right.
Yes, Mappa knows how to do everything right.
We're ready. Everyone ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Chainsaw Man season 1, episode 10, Battered and Bruised. 3, 2, 1, go.
Someone's eating apples.
Aki.
Aki with his hair down.
I heard
Fully.
power.
Oh, his legs are back.
Oh, yeah, he's okay
And
now.
she's back. Power.
He was cut in half.
Give him the apples.
I don't care. Oh, I thought she was screaming about him waking up.
I can just like, what the fuck?
Why don't you just grab one from the
My brother
basket?
died. Minna.
Those are his albums.
Look at it. Look at the bottom of it. Wasn't even a good one.
Damn.
Red delicious. More like red not delicious.
He gets it.
It's true. Oh. 2
What?
years. He's got like one more chance to use that thing, I bet.
Why she didn't want him to use it, bruh?
That is crazy.
Damn, it won't start. No.
That was cool.
Smoking in the
Okay.
hospital bed?
The fuck?
Minna.
Damn.
About to lose his cool.
Cry for her like she wanted him to.
No.
Rip.
Not my boy.
Oh man.
Damn.
I thought he was waiting for him.
Last 3
Nice.
episodes, or yeah,
Of
3
the
episodes.
season.
10, 11, 10, 11, 12.
Those damn crows, bro.
Oh shit! I didn't realize her pants were short.
Ooh.
Powers?
Powers.
Oh, yeah, they've always been like that. I see
Oh,
Jimenos teacher.
Yes. That boy.
We love Kishibe.
Ishibe.
Shit, my fault.
俺の質問に答えろ。仲間が死んでどう思った？
it's all right.
They've died.
敵に復讐したいか？
復讐とか暗くて嫌いだね。
お前たちは人と悪魔どっちの味方だ？
Whatever side.
Mm.
俺を面倒見てくれる方。
I feel like that is not at all what he wanted to hear. That's like the complete opposite of
Dude,
Aki and
this is
Ameno.
Kishibe. That's what he wants to hear. He wants to hear crazy motherfuckers.
お前たち100点だ。
Yes.
お前たちみたいのはめったにいない。素晴らしい。大好きだ。
The voice actor.
マキマ。
I heard bones break. Oh my god.
Bruh.
Nice. Good training. Good training.
Broke their neck.
お前たちの筋肉と骨の仕組みは俺たちと同じだ。首の骨を俺は動けなくなる。
Damn. That is
人間
tough.
The scene. Blood.
血を飲めば復活するとこだな。俺は最強のデビルハンターだ。
The best.
最強の俺を倒せる悪魔は最強なわけだから。
That self-proclaimed, or is he? He could.
You can get down.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
I don't know. I guess we're gonna see.
Hunting the two of you?
も
じゃあ再開だ。
う酔ったじじいでも殺しちまったら逮捕だぜ。
Yo, that's kind of cool.
Instant.
Damn.
Quick with it.
That's a do.
Oh.
Oh, right through the
Damn.
head.
Just like that. Oh.
I know they weren't going full out, but still, that was horrible. He's having a spaz attack. Damn. Heal.
Damn.
And it worked. I hate this so much.
俺は今日何回殺された。
20回以上じ
Damn.
ゃ。ウヌが死んだ時、だいたいわしも気絶しとるから、正確にはわからん。
Dang, I gotta walk back.
Like he had a car.
あのじじい強すぎ
He could have drove him.
Damn.
マジで楽しくねえぞ。楽しくなるために頑張ってきたのに。
Damn.
楽しくなくて頑張るの。
一緒に逃げるか？
逃げたら公安から逃げたことになって。今度こそ本当に俺たちは悪
Imagine
魔
that
を使って
alternate timeline. Just Denji and Power run away.
Be
They're
crazy.
thinking about it. They're thinking about it.
That's that Rim and Subaru.
ナルチェやろ。
頭を使って戦えばいいじゃん。
ナル るほどな。
Her IQ together is like 90.
漫画とかの頭いいキャラみてえに
They're
叩けたらいい
sharing
な
one
って
brain
よ
cell.
頭脳であいつをぶっ殺すか。
なんか俺
That is not gonna work.
気がするぜ。
I hope we see it. Oh, this is about to end. I hope we see it.
二つの頭脳が合わさってしまったらよ
Dude, put our heads together. Okay.
Nice.
Oh, he's here with his trench coat.
Set
Talk right now?
glasses on.
Glasses.
Oh, that big,
Yes.
big brain.
超インテリ作戦開始じゃ。
You're gonna fight there. He dodged that?
There's no
Oh my
way.
gosh.
Damn.
頭狙ってきやがった待ち伏せしやがって今度は俺が狩られる側ってわけだな
Up top?
Oh, she can control it? Nice.
He's just keep
Bro!
That'd be so
God
cool.
damn.
He's just punching them. He's just punching them.
He even had the shadow
Oh,
right there. That's close
Damn.
Damn. Not so smart.
今までで一番良かったぞ追い詰められた獲物は頭を使うもんだなもっと頭を使う
Keep at it.
今回の敗因は2つパワーは今の戦い方だと血を使いすぎて
Bruh.
体が貧血になることとデンジが俺の攻撃を予測できなかったところだ今回は良かったからもう終わりだ俺は飲み
He should have jumped down there when those things are coming down.
True.
To the
Yeah,
after.
party.
もう終わりだって
Hey, that's a dub. It's a dub. That's
Bruh.
not, never mind.
はい
獣が狩人の言葉を信用する
No!
End
No!
quote.
獣
They were supposed to have a day off.
Nah, bro.
Operation Super Smart failed.
I still got 99 plans left.
強い悪魔と契約
Yeah.
Huh.
Why are you walking like that?
I don't
Right.
know.
He was looking a little weird.
この部屋にいる悪魔とアキ君は契約して
Oh, I
Like
know.
a GTA character.
いるんは未来の悪
The
魔
future devil.
公安でこいつと契約している人は2人1人は寿命半分もう1人は両
Half their lifespan.
Man, he only got 2 of those. Or 2 years.
It takes a year.
I got you.
安く済みますよ
I was saying, he don't give a fuck now. He has 2 years to live.
Really? Right?
Yes,
Himeno dead too?
He has to get the gun devil. He's not quitting. Like, why would you quit if you only have 2 years, you know? Might as well just.
Close the door. Good luck.
Dang, it locked. I guess I can't let it get out.
It already got out. Dun, dun, dun.
Aki's in that bitch with no weapon.
By the end.
Rip.
Damn.
Damn.
Ending.
Some dogs? I like the last outro better.
Yeah.
It just started.
Yeah.
It's like 3 seconds into it.
Right? I just say.
Dogland.
It looks like they got like actual footage and like
Yeah.
put the filter on it and then animated them in. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That was like
Who was
one of the
that?
better creative endings, you know?
I think
It
it
was a-
said it was called People One.
Yeah.
People
Pretty
won.
Well, that was, you know,
I'm ready
I
for the
think
next
the-
episode now.
again.
After it leaves off right there, I'm ready for the next
The
episode.
last two are probably gonna be pretty good. So I'm
Yeah,
excited.
for sure.
I'm
Season 2 is
excited.
gonna be better though, but it's fine.
Oh yeah.
I give that episode a 8 out of 10.
Hey,
No,
yeah,
I don't
I
know.
can go. I can agree with 8.
It's just it was just like one of those like not
We've gotten
really.
so much action lately.
Yeah.
It was good to get like just the calm, tame episode of just
You
kind of
got
like
more
explanation.
insight on some shit.
Yes.
Calm, tame
Training
as
arc?
Denji and Power get their necks broken.
Yeah.
The
That's
Aki
cool.
aftermath
Demon
with
Chainsaw
Himeno.
Man.
Her sister showing up with letters.
Yep.
A lot of letters.
A lot of letters. We never got to see her face though, which I was just like,
She probably talked about Ake a lot in those letters after they met.
I could this. I could that.
Obviously
Wow.
got like how she was serious about him leaving or them going private so that they could fucking live, you know. And then she died.
Listen, Mage. I wonder how you felt afterward.
And he was walking kind of.
I was about to say he walking weird. He walking like a GTA kid about to steal a car.
Yeah, the future devil though. That's only 2 other people. Might be kind of crazy.
And I had to give up that much. I don't know. Some contracts are like heavy,
Yep.
so it might be a crazy devil.
I think it might be good. I think it'll be
Time
good.
travel. No, just kidding.
I think he'll do it. I mean, he has 1 episode to do it.
What do you think he
Not
gives
even.
up?
I'd say he basically. I could either see it being like once he help me beat the gun devil, and you could like literally just take me or whatever, or like maybe like maybe his eye, one of his eye. Oh, that one guy had to give up 2 of his eyes. So
And his sense
don't
of
know.
smell and taste.
gosh damn.
Everything
Future
but
devil
his
don't give a
hearing.
fuck. Future devil say, "Hey, whatever. Hey, I want all that." Give
I
me all
mean,
that.
I can see it
What?
working without like.
I feel like the future
face-
if the future devil like knows about Aki, he probably already knows that he only has 2 years left. So like he'll be like, "You're basically dead anyway." So
Not gonna rob him of that.
knows about him, already wanted to fight the gun devil with 2 years left. So it's like
Give me a finger now. I don't know.
I don't know. All around pretty good
Mm.
episode. I mean, like I said, very very calm episode, and nothing crazy.
Yeah.
Still, in a calm episode, there's like top tier animation with like Kishibe fighting Power and Denji.
Yeah.
Like all of like.
Did they even
like
say his name
whenever-
at all? That whole episode.
No,
No, actually, we just know his name. He's
Oh,
too
dude.
good to not know his
Jesus.
name.
Jesus and Andrew didn't know. But we said it anyways.
I
Yeah, I
thought
mean,
someone
yeah,
already said it before though.
said
in the
it, like,
past.
you,
a while
yeah,
back.
you said it
Yeah.
like the first time he ever came on screen in the anime.
Yeah, I know
Miles.
that.
But I don't think it was said though.
No, it wasn't said in the anime at all. I'm saying whenever he first came on, like a couple, like one of the first few episodes, Miles has said it. So I was like, oh, I guess I know it.
Bro, he's like, I'm sorry, he's just that boy. He's the best.
He seems pretty cool. Said he's the strongest. Any devil that can beat me. What do you say? Like any devil that can beat me?
It's the strongest devil.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
They clean
We'll see.
as fuck. They don't
It is.
trust. They'll trust with the hunter. Well, he had a lot of them. You know, like he said, he's that guy.
Guess so.
He's
but-
that boy.
A beach
Anyways.
trust the hunter.
Hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like.
Comment.
Comment.
And
And
subscribe.
subscribe.
And we'll see y'all next time.
Hey, goodbye.